Let's hope Harriers get a result tomorrow, Paul. I think more pertinently. Mike's in Wimbledon. Mike, what would you like to say?
Oh, hello, James.
Hello,
yeah,
Mike.
I've often...
Oh, cheese, wheel alignment and brakes.
Much for joining us this morning. I'll give you a recap of everything she said.
What questions have they asked you? Though she's very supportive, it's sort of in this, but I wouldn't have done it that way, sort of comment.
There is that, and then Jana throughout her life, as you know, she was a lesbian for a while, you know, and she thought I'd be very.